Alright guys, another knife. This is a rather large slicing knife for meats. Do a paper cut test initially, see where we're at. It won't cut. Definitely needs to be sharpened. Same process as my prior knife. Used for meats, so we go all the way up through the strop. Again, start with the 220, go all the way up through the 3000 polishing tape, then the strop. Don't use the ceramic hone on knives used for meats. That's only for, I only use it for knives used for vegetables, produce. Set up the machine here. This is a really wide blade. Alright, see how close I am on the angle. Let me move that. I got the black mark on the edge to see where I'm hitting. One more time, let's see here. Use very light strokes to take off the marker. Yeah, we're good. Let's see what angle we're at. The angle cube. Yeah, we're at, well, almost 19.5 degrees, which is good. Any around 19, 20 degrees is really good for all kitchenized meat, produce, whatever. Alright, time to get just some sharpening. Some water on here. I don't know if you have to do what I do as far as with my fingers and try to get some of that slurry off. I just do it out of habit. I don't know. I got a routine down, I just stick with it. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Again, very light pressure. All the way to the tip, very slow strokes. Don't roll that edge, roll the tip. Tip a little bit. It's got a big sweep on her, so I gotta make sure I get all the way to the apex from the tip without making the bevel too wide. Then it just doesn't look good. Oh yeah, there we go, perfect. Got a nice, even, consistent burr all the way through. Awesome. burr is. Oh yeah. Perfect. Alright, knock it off. Knock off the burr. Alright. Clean off the stone. Alright, the 400 grit stone. Alright guys, sorry about that. My memory got full, but I am now finished with that butcher knife. Got it all stropped up. Do a quick paper cut test, show you how the result ended up. Extremely sharp. Just absolutely effortless cutting through that. Push cut this paper all day long. S cut.